I'm recording my term assignment demonstration video for Comp 2406. So let's get started. My web application uses a database to store user-written reviews on restaurants, and then you can query the database for reviews as well as the Google Maps API to just provide basic data on the restaurant you are searching up. So let's get started. I realize I deleted all the npm dependencies. That's okay. I'm going to install them. Perfect. Server.js. Get the server up and running. How mine works for the authentication, you can just navigate to localhost 3000 and you'll be prompted with the login screen right away. Obviously, written down here, the admin originally is called Superman and the password is power. So if we go on over here, localhost 3000. This is the first page, the login page, where you can create an account if you would like to create a guest user. Once you do that, say user 1 with password test, register it successfully, and then it's going to immediately... Oh, hold on. Rewind that. We're going to close. We were already logged in as user 1. We're going to close the window to refresh the caches and stuff. Let's register user 2, test, register. Once you register a new user or you're not logged in, you'll get prompted to log in to access the web application. Once in, you'll be directed to the home page. The home page has all the different links or buttons to links to pages, the different pages of my web application. So this to display users, that will display the users. Right now we're a guest though, so if we click it, our access is going to be denied and we're not going to be able to look at the users. So can this move out of the way or not? Okay, it's not going to move out of the way. Let's go back. I have a little README page. It's not quite the same as my README, just a brief description about what my web application does, as well as has my name, authored by me, Oliver Davey. Hooray! And then we get to the meat of the page. Here we have Write Review. This allows users to enter a restaurant name. Let's say The Table. One of my favorite restaurants from my childhood. Doesn't exist anymore. Give it a 5-star. What note am I doing? Favorite childhood restaurant. Once the user's entered values into all three... Oh, even though can you... Oh my gosh, I didn't know that. Anyways, once the user's entered values into all three text boxes, they can press Submit Review. The review gets submitted successfully. If one of them is empty, it's going to stop it from happening until they fill it out. Let's enter another review. Let's say for the warehouse. Just do warehouse. Rating 4 stars. Great cocktail selection. Submit a review, and the user can keep submitting reviews on this page. All of the pages have a Go Home button, so it's very easy to navigate from the home to a page, to another page, and then back again without having to enter anything into the hyperlink or change the URL. Sorry. And now that Write Review uses the database that is located inside my server. Search Restaurant is the other portion of my web app. This allows the users to query for user-based written reviews and Google Maps at the same time. So if we're into warehouse, search restaurant, it's going to take a second. So here this is information from Google Maps about warehouse. It only selects the most relevant search results, so the first one that Google generates. That way we don't have like 20 different results lining up. It's always going to be the most relevant one. So it's the first one. We have the address, the average rating, and then how many reviews it has, as well as if it's open now, and even a link to go look at the location on Google Maps. If this will work, while that's loading. And then here we have the database reviews of the user written reviews listed down here. So if we go home and let's write another review, warehouse, 5 stars, amazing service, submit review, go back, warehouse, and both reviews will show up here. Perfect, the link worked. That's where warehouse is, right here in the Byward Market. Great place, do recommend. Okay, so let's go. That's all the functionality on the home page. Let's quickly show the administrator being able to see all the users. So close the window, refresh the cache. And I also added a login button, so if you don't want to create an account, as in you already have one, or you're the administrator and you know the password, you can log in to skip creating an account. Let's go Superman, password power, sign in, display users, bang, all the users are listed out, and again, you can go home, back again. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, one thing I did make is that even without authorization, you can look at the README, or should be able to. Yeah, you can be able to, but when you go home, you'll be asked for authentication. You can also go to login without authentication. Oh, you should be able to go to login without authentication. Oh, that's not actually a route. Okay, you can go here without authentication. That'll direct you to the login page. And that should be about it. Hope you enjoyed this amazing demonstration video. And yeah, have fun. Have fun marking this.